Good morning, sport fans. Tonight we're going to do a very quick little video on the basics of setting or adjusting the balance belt. So, just like before, we start with our reference bar, get it nice and square. We should enter or set the outer ring to 0.153. All we do to do that is we loosen up this little securing screw and adjust this outer ring until the big needle reads 53. So that's how we get to that. So we're done with the reference bar. Now, I loosened this up a little bit. So we're starting from a too loose situation. I'm at top dead center, but I don't think that really matters. Anyway, put the tool on here. We're going to make our initial reading. I don't want to be behind the water pump pulley. I want my sled flat. I want my roller down in the nubs. And there we go. And now look, it's given us this reading that's between the markers, by the way. I set the markers, but you have to make an extra effort to control the slack on the balance belt because there's just so much of it. So what I do is I pull up right here. Now look, at now it's reading us a number of 0.198. Very, very much loose. So we'll make our adjustment. Simple. Loosen up this. It doesn't take much to move it. Again, we try and overshoot the target just a little bit and then come back to it right there. And it's a little bit tight of the midpoint, but pretty close. We can snap our gauge. Now we're just barely inside the too tight marker. Again, well, that's a good reading though. 0.188. Okay, so can we make a consistent reading? That's a good question. Pull this off. Manipulate the slack on it. I could spin the engine, but it takes longer. We come back to it. The goal is to get the same number. What was it? 188. Make sure our water pump's not interfering. We're okay to our nudge. We're getting I haven't done the movement yet, so, and there we go, 0.188. That's how we do it. Thank you.